Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa of Australia step by step online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe right now. Also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened IMMI account, that is the official site for applying Australian visa online. So you need to have a login first. You need to create a login if you don't have, and once you log in, you see this. So here you need to click on new application. Now you need to select the subclass. So you're gonna visit, right? So you need a visitor visa, subclass 600. Okay. It's always good to read terms and conditions. Next. Current location. It's asking if you're outside Australia. I select yes. So you need to, okay, all the information that you see here is sample. Okay. You don't have to do this. You have to do as per your case. Purpose of stay. Let's say you're going for tourism. I select this. All reasons for listing. I select tourism. Give details of any significant dates on which applicant needs to be in Australia. So let's say you're gonna be you have the plan to watch a cricket match. So I'll just write 1 August 2024. I need to watch a cricket match at MCG, Melbourne Cricket Ground, and all other details. This is just a sample. Group processing launched as part of group like if you're guys going in a group like a family and all that. Special category traveling on United Nations leisure pass, no. As per your case, if you have, definitely provide that. Passport detail, do it very carefully guys, and as per your case. Smith, this is just sample guys. Date of birth, I'm just doing, okay, just sample. Passport detail, just sample. Country, India. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Just sample guys. Nationality of passport holder, again India. Date of issue, said this was issued in 2023, May 1st. I'm just putting sample guys, don't go by this. Place of issuing, New Delhi. Do you have a national ID card? I select yes. You do as per use case. And so in India, like you get Aadhaar card, right? So that you can definitely use. Identification. I don't know the Aadhaar number, how the format is, but adding just like that. Date of issue, I'll just say Jan. If I'm not wrong, they don't have any expiry, right? Consider confirm if the details are correct. Provide correct details. Do you hold a Pacific Australia card holder? Place of birth, town, city, New Delhi, state, Delhi, oh, India, relationship status. I select never married. Other name spelling, have you used any other name? No. Citizenship. Does the applicant citizen of passport India? Yes. Any other country? No, because India does not allow dual citizenship. So that's not possible. Many countries do. That's why they have these questions. Have you previously traveled to Australia? I select no. Previously applied for visa to Australia? I select no. Grant number. Have an Australian visa grant number? I select no. Other passport to travel? I select no. Other anti-document? I select no. Health examination? Undertaken a health examination for Australian visa in last 12 months? I select no. But if you have, definitely select yes. Verify the details. I select yes. Oh, well, I need to go back because something is not matching up. Just like sample numbers, format, too many things they check. Okay. Yay! Each person traveling to Australia must submit a separate visa application. This includes children and other family members. Listing a person name on this page does not mean okay. Other than other person traveling with the applicant to Australia, I select no. But if you have definitely provide that information. Usual country of residence, I select. Oh, I'm sorry. India. Department office, I select New Delhi, India. Residential address. So country, I'll select first. India. Address. Suburb town. I'm just putting some sample. You do as per your case. State, province, Delhi, postal code, Indian no home phone, business phone. At least one phone number is definitely required. So I'll just try to put mobile phone number. Is the postal address same? Yes. Now click on next. Postal code must be six numeric numbers. My God, they have like so much of knowledge. Are you authorizing, like, are you granting someone to be your representative? I select no. Electronic communication. Okay, let's go to next. Another company. Does the applicant have any family members of their family not traveling to Australia who are Australian, who are not Australian citizen or permanent residents? Generally, yes, because you may have like parents, right? Like if you relationship to the applicant, you see parent. So I'm just adding some sample. Like I'm just adding his parents. Uh, Peter, Peter Smith. So I'll make date of birth as 1974. Oh, 1074 too early. Nobody of that age can survive. Two. Country of birth, India. Hmm. Let's say he has his mother also. Let's say his mother name is uh, now don't confuse this with father-in-law. These are about in-laws. So I'll add parent again. Let's say his mother name is Nancy Smith. Country of origin. Next. Period of stay. Does the intend to Australia on one or on one on more than one occasion, like entries? I select no, but if you yes, do that. Length of stay in Australia up to 3 months. I select planned arrival day. So we put cricket match on August 1st, right? So let's put some event for July, planned arrival date. Okay. Planned departure date. Let's say August end. Study plan for, are you planning to study in Australia while you stay? I select no. Will the applicant visit a relative, friend, or contacts while in Australia? I select no, but if you have like friends, contacts, definitely click yes and provide that information. Current employment status, I select self-employed, then it's gonna ask for the information. Manager, professional, community clerk, and workers, sales workers, laborers, others. So I just say manager. Organization, I'll just say Smith, just writing sample. Hardware. Start date with the current employer. Let's say he was born 2000, 2020 he started. Organization address. Let's say India. Postal code. Remember 6 digit. State. Delhi. Town. Telephone number. At least one will be required. Let's see if I can bypass this. But you definitely. Oh, I could bypass. Perfect. Give that, but you definitely provide phone number and email address for your employer, because if you don't, how they will contact and find out it's genuine. This is sample video, that's why I'm skipping a lot of things. Give details of how the applicant stay in Australia will be funded. Let's go for self-funded. What funds will have to support while stay? Let's say I just go 50,000 Australian dollars. Next. Health declaration. In past 5 years, visitor lived outside their country of passport more than 3 consecutive months. I select no. Do not include time spent in Australia. To hospital, healthcare facility, aged care, disability, tuberculosis, these diseases, if you have any, mental care due to medical condition. No, I said just like that. Character details. This is sample, so I'm just putting no in all, but you please read carefully before taking any decision, and then the applicant hold or has the applicant held or does the applicant currently hold a visa to Australia or any other country? I select no. Ever been in Australia or any other country and not complied with visa conditions? Ever had a visa to Australia or any other country refused or cancelled? Be careful. If you answer no, like wrongly, it will be a problem. Declaration, I have yes. Provided complete, accurate. Understand if any fraudulent, yeah. If the documents are found to be fraudulent, read the information contain privacy notice, okay. Understand the document may collect use. State condition is imposed, yeah. Agree to leave Canada, Australia. Fingerprint. So you need to do this page, and next you are gonna go and submit the documents, and then you're gonna from there it will go through, like it will give it a checklist of documents that you need to upload in order to process, and of course after that payment, and then from there it will go through. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got the idea how to do this. So let me know what you feel about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please take care. Thank you.